Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, DG is absolutely on fire this week with the deals. We've got new coupons, new glitches, cashback offers, and we're going to go over everything in this video. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, new glitches, new clearance markdowns, a huge penny list for this week, plus big time overage. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and jump into these deals. So, first up, I do want to remind everybody we still have our P&G spin coupons. So, if you did not use those last week, they are still good until this Saturday. And then the coupon that you receive back, that one does not expire until the 17th. So, coming up next, I will be putting out some new P&G scenarios. I did upload some for last week, but we have brand new coupons that we can use this week. So, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for that. And y'all, please let me know down in the comment section below, do you still have your P&G spin coupons on your account, or have you already used them? All right, now up next, we're going to talk DG cashback offers, because right now we have tons of amazing deals with the DG cashback. So I'm just going to let these deals scroll across your screen. We did talk about quite a few of them in last week's videos. However, I noticed that on Saturday, a lot of them disappeared or expired, but make sure that you all double check your accounts, because on my account, a lot of these just showed up again today. So make sure that you clip those before they disappear again. So we have fantastic deals this week on the children's Xyzal and the children's Allegra. Both are fantastic deals. And then I also wanted to go ahead and mention and remind everybody about the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. We still have that digital coupon plus the cash back. That makes your final price just $1. All right, next up, we've got a little glitch going on with our regular bags of M&Ms, normally priced at $1.35. Y'all can mix and match however you would like. These items are on sale this week, 2 for $2, plus we have a DG store coupon for 2 off 10. This coupon is glitching. It's picking up the regular price, then the sale and the coupon are applying. That is going to make your final price $6 for 8 M&Ms. Now, we kind of have the same little thing going on with the M&M share size or king size bags. These are normally priced at $2.25. Again, you can mix and match however you would like. These are on sale this week, 4 for $7. With that DG store coupon, it's picking up the regular price, applying the sale and the coupon. That's going to be paying $7.25 for all 5. All right, guys, now we're going to take a look at a bunch of different coupon matchups for this week at Dollar General. I put together all the best deals, coupon matchups, low out-of-pockets, plus the glitches are sprinkled throughout this video, so make sure that you watch it all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any crazy deals. I'm going to turn on a little music so that you guys can check out all of these deals. Remember, if you need to speed the video up or slow it down, you can click up in the top right hand corner of your screen on the little gearbox, then select playback speed. You can speed it up or slow it down from there. And I will catch up with you guys here in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, now we are almost to the end of the video, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second and point out all of these amazing food deals. Here we have some 2 liters on sale this week, 3 for $3. We also have the Kellogg's cereals on sale, 4 for $8. Make sure that you are on the lookout for those peelies because you guys, we can use those at any stores. So if you find one of these 2 off 3s, that's going to leave you paying $6 for 4 boxes. We also have a really great deal on the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, as well as a BOGO deal on the Velveeta cheese and the Clover Valley diced tomatoes. Here at the end, we have tons of instant savings going on this week at Dollar General. So here we have hair care products. We also have the Palmer's cocoa butter products, which we do have digital coupons for. We also have the Wall brand clippers and the Mr. Clean spin mop. Of course, don't forget that we just received a new 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's DG store coupon. So make sure that you have that one clipped to your account. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.